Aloha, my friends. This is Billy Wiggly coming at you live from the 9th Island, Las Vegas, Nevada. And today it's Aloha Friday. How you doing today, my friends? Are you staying positive? Because you know that's the only way to be. So you gotta check this out. This lovely slide right here is called an artifact, and you gotta check it out. It's 3 tips for awesome prompts. Next, be clear and specific, provide context, use examples, putting it all together, and a positive, encouraging call to action to end with, my friends. And that right there is a Claude artifact, and I'm going to show you today how to make one. This is live, and I'm available to answer your questions right now. So come on, let's do it. All right, my friends, Aloha Friday. Billy Wiggly here, Mr. Aloha, coming at you live from the 9th Island, Las Vegas, Nevada. Yes, it's called the 9th Island, and you can go ahead and Google it so that you can learn the reason why we call Las Vegas the 9th Island. And let me bring you right in to, wait, we need a little something special for today, the Aloha Friday live stream. Come on, everybody, join me. You've had some time. You out there on YouTube. You out there on Twitch. My LinkedIn friends and family. Come on now. Join me. I'm waiting for you. Come on. Let's do this. I'm ready to give you some skills. Because I always say, don't get mad. Get skills. All right, come on. It's Aloha Friday. Let's get ready to learn. Turn down the music a little. We got a little bit too much excitement going on over here. Let's go to Claude AI. And here we have it, my friends, Claude AI. I think we're still a little bit loud. There we go. I'll make an adjustment right over here. Epidemic sound. Woo! All right, so here we are, my friends. We are in Claude, and what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to make an artifact. And an artifact is a new experimental feature that is available now to all Claude AI users. And what we're going to do is we're going to zoom right on down in here to where your name is, the BW. This is where all your settings are in Claude, and we're gonna go ahead and click on it, and you see where it says feature preview. Just go right ahead and click on feature preview, and you're gonna see any feature previews that they have available. And right now, they're demoing artifacts. So what you're gonna do is just go right down to where it says artifacts right here and turn this on. Toggle it on, and you're gonna have artifacts available to you. So let me go ahead and show you what we can do with some artifacts. I'm gonna put in a simple little prompt right in here, and this is how you normally would be. I think this music's still a little bit loud for us. Let's bring it down right there. All right, and the landscapers are gone too. Right on. It's turning out to be a really good Aloha Friday because we're staying positive. Come on. Back to Claude AI. We've enabled, inside the feature preview, the artifacts. And now what I'm going to do is, I needed to make some slides for a quick presentation that I'm doing on prompts. How to write a prompt, something I thought, let's come up with some 3 basic skills for 3 tips for writing a prompt. So I asked Claude this question right here. Simply, hey, please make me a slide presentation about 3 basic tips for prompts that will deliver awesome results. So let's go right in here. And it's creating the presentation. We see right there that it's generating the artifact for us. How nice is that? Let me slide on over here. Get out of your way. Oh, look what it did right here. And then it explained, look right above, what it did, breaking down the steps that it took. And now we take a look right here, and we can just go right ahead and click next, 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 next. Hey, that's cool. I like that. Maybe that works. Maybe I want it in bullet points or whatever. You can just be generating new content. So, let me go ahead and ask it a little something else. I want to go ahead and say, hey, Claude, can you go right ahead and let's improve this prompt a little bit. Right here. So what I'm saying is, Claude, please add a final slide with a poor prompt and a better prompt with examples, and finish with a positive and encouraging call to action. So that's just the basic language that I'm using to generate that prompt. There it goes. It's working nicely. When it's done right here, let's go ahead and see what we got. Be specific and clear. Use examples. Iterate, and refine. Examples. Poor versus better prompts. Start crafting better prompts today. Remember, be specific. Use examples and refine your prompts. With practice, you'll unlock the full potential of AI assistants. Happy prompting. Hey, man, I don't know about those colors. I wanted to have my own company colors. Now, if you don't like the style of it, how it's looking, like maybe you want bullet points instead or whatever, you can just keep asking it, keep regenerating. You can just tell it to retry, like right here. If you wanted to just retry, let's see what else it comes up with. But now I want to give it my company colors. So I'm going to go to my brand guide right here. And within my brand guide, I'm sure you got a brand guide too. We got to have brand guides. And right here for my colors, there's a couple of things you could do. You could just copy this image and paste it right into Claude and say, hey, Claude, use these colors. Or you can just go ahead and, in my case, I'm just going to copy this code, CSS variables. And I'm going right back here to Claude. And first, let me go ahead and give it the prompt. So let me slide right over for you. And the prompt that I'm going to give it right here is, where you at, everybody? You got some questions for me? I'm here ready to answer them on Aloha Friday. So can we give it this color scheme, please? And the color scheme that we're going to give it is the color scheme for my CSS variables in my brand guide. Paste it right in there, and let's go. Come on. This is Claude AI. I use the paid subscription. I like Claude. I also use ChatGPT Plus, Gemini, a few different ones. Hey, look at that. I like that. Woo-hoo. That's my company colors. Right on. Oh, but the buttons, something's up with the buttons over here. Let me slide over here so you can check it out. Let's go ahead and publish it. See right down here? I can go ahead and download it, or I can go ahead and publish it. So let's just go ahead and publish this artifact. And I'm going to get the link for it here. And let's go to the artifact. And you are viewing it, user-generated artifact. Show me the content. Look at that. Now, I don't know about these buttons right here, because, I can't really see them. They're not very accessible. So let's go back. Let's go back to Claude, and let's ask Claude right over here. The navigation buttons are not visually accessible. It knows that I didn't spell it properly, so it knows the right word. But later, let me do it right, because there's parts of me. There it is. Checking it out, going, hey Billy, it's bugging me. So the butts are not visually accessible. Use contrasting colors. Boom, let's go right there and see what happens. You're absolutely right, and I apologize. That's how Claude is. Claude is very, very friendly. So what's up, my LinkedIn friends? I see that you all are going home early today, yeah? Nice. Hey, look at that right there. Isn't that cool? Now we can see the buttons a lot better. Let's go a little bit closer in here. And look what it did. And we're still using my company colors. Excellent. I love these purples. The color of royalty. All right, so now here's what we can do. Let's go right ahead and publish this artifact. Publish and copy the link. Let's go right to it. Let's show the content. And now that link that we copied, you can share it anywhere with anybody. I can press Control Shift N. I'm in incognito, Control V to paste that link, and it's available to everybody. Show content, and here it is. Nice, just like that. Let me hide out. 3 tips for awesome prompts. Learn how to craft awesome prompts that deliver excellent results. Provide detailed instructions and context. Be more specific. The more specific you are, the better the results will be. True. Include examples of the desired output or style. This helps guide the AI towards your expected results. True. Iterate and refine. Don't be afraid to refine your prompt based on initial results. Iterative. Is that how you say it? Iterative? Help. Improvement leads to better outcomes. So that's what we've been doing. We just keep asking it questions, right? We're regenerating new content, and it keeps improving. And here's our example. Write about dogs. That's a bad prompt. A better prompt would be write a 200-word article about the benefits of owning a golden retriever as a family pet. Include points about their temperament, exercise needs, and suitability for children. How nice is that? Come on. AI, it's a smart start to amplify your intelligence. And I say amplify your intelligence because I always feel real smart after I'm done making something with ChatGPT. But you got to be careful, right? Because there's certain words that are always showing up. Delve, game changer, unlocking, right? So there's still got to be a human involved unless you have advanced prompting skills, which translates to excellent communication ability. Because the better communicator you are, the more that you master the language, the more effective of a prompter you're going to be, because we are working with large language models. So now I can share this with you. I've got this prompt, so I'm gonna go right, or I got this artifact link. So I go right in here and I'm going to, boom, share with my LinkedIn friends. Let me go right in here and share with everybody else on every other Facebook, Twitch, YouTube, everywhere where you're at. There it is. I just sent you the link. And now you can take this artifact right here and you can do something with it. You can say, hey, I'm going to remix it. Boom. And what that's going to do right there, that right there is going to bring it into your account. And then you can go ahead and do whatever you want with it. It's not going to change it right here where I'm at. It's going to just pull it into your account, and then you can just remix the artifact on your own. So that, my friends, is artifacts, another feature of Claude AI. And I want to show you, hey, while I'm at it, let me show you one more thing, because maybe you want to keep on learn a few more things. And so when it feels like my camera changed. What happened here? Huh, that's interesting. Let's go right over here and mess with the click cam. Showtime. Boom. There we go. Because this button is shocked. Ah, boom. We're having too much fun on Aloha Friday. How you doing? Huh? How you doing? Are you using your skills to make your life a lot easier so that you can be laughing all the time, having a good time? Just like we're doing over here. So there you go, my friends. That is a Claude artifact for you to enjoy. And you can also check out, I got this course right here on Udemy. Let me go ahead and copy the link to it. And I'm going to put it right in here in the chat so you can go check it out. But if you're watching this on LinkedIn, you can go right up to, let's go right here to LinkedIn real quick. Oh, and the AI for leaders. Let me show you something else right here. It's brand new. Brand new. 6 students. They're just working on it right now. Why don't you join up? Be the first one to leave a rating. There's new content being added all the time. I'm adding new content today, as a matter of fact. Let's go right over here to see. What was it I was going to show you? We got so much stuff going on over here. So we've got our artifacts. So there you go, my friends. That's how you do an artifact in Claude. Hope you gonna benefit from this little skill that I taught you. Remember, don't get mad, get skills. Oh, here we go. This is where I was going. I just, wanted to show you that you're watching this on LinkedIn. When you go to my profile or any one of my posts, for example, let's go right in here. Let's imagine we're watching this. Get mad, get right over here. Visit my website. And when you go visit my website, check this out, what I've got going on right now. It takes you, right, let me go incognito. Open in incognito, check it out. Look at that. That's good till the end of the month. I think I've made it available to 100 students till the end of the month. Come on, join us. Get yourself some skills. If you're a manager, executive, aspiring leader, this is where you need to be, right here. So come on down, check it out. And let's keep on learning, my friends. And remember, like I always say, keep on learning. I love you. And most of all, don't get mad. Get yourself some skills. Aloha.